How to design clever storage for your home. Welcome to Inspiring Homes FAQ, your trusted source for practical home solutions. Are you tired of clutter and disorganization in your living space? In today's video, we'll explore the art of designing clever storage solutions for your home. From maximizing space to optimizing functionality, join us as we unlock the secrets to a more organized and efficient living environment. Unlock hidden spaces. Discover the untapped potential of hidden spaces within your home. From underutilized corners to overlooked nooks, learn how to transform these areas into valuable storage opportunities. Whether it's installing shelves above doorways or utilizing the space beneath staircases, we'll show you how to make every square inch count. Maximize vertical potential. Elevate your storage game by thinking vertically. Explore innovative shelving solutions and wall-mounted organizers to take advantage of vertical space. By utilizing walls for storage, you can free up valuable floor space and create a visually appealing display. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a more streamlined aesthetic. Incorporate multifunctional furniture. Say goodbye to bulky storage units and hello to multifunctional furniture. Discover how pieces like storage ottomans, platform beds with built-in drawers, and coffee tables with hidden compartments can revolutionize your space. These versatile furniture items not only provide storage but also serve as stylish additions to your home decor. Customize your closet. Take control of your wardrobe with a customized closet system. Learn how to design a storage solution tailored to your specific needs, whether it's maximizing hanging space or organizing accessories. With the right layout and organization tools, you can transform your closet into a clutter-free oasis where everything has its place. Think outside the box. Don't be afraid to get creative with your storage solutions. Explore unconventional storage ideas such as repurposing everyday items or DIY projects. From using tension rods to create dividers in drawers to repurposing old crates as stylish storage bins, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and transform ordinary objects into functional storage solutions. Stay organized with smart solutions. Embrace the power of technology with smart storage solutions. Discover how smart bins, app-controlled organizers, and automated systems can streamline your organization process. With these innovative tools at your disposal, maintaining a clutter-free home has never been easier. It is not just about maximizing space, it's about creating a harmonious and functional living environment. By unlocking hidden spaces, maximizing vertical potential, and incorporating multifunctional furniture, you can transform your home into a clutter-free oasis. Subscribe for free consultations, and stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement and building. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar.